Very good morning, children. Hope doing good. How was your festival, Pongal, everybody? Yes, hope you enjoyed your festival by flying the kites. Every year I used to give you the kites, right? This year I missed it, feeling very bad, right? Okay, next academic year, again you can play with the kites that I have given to you. Alright? Okay, children, right. Now, we are going to learn your new lesson, Sports Day. That is your last lesson of your term 3 book. With this we have completed all the lessons. Okay, right. Sports Day. What do you remember, children? If you hear this word Sports Day, are you missing the same thing that I'm missing? Yes, so we had really enjoyable and exciting time on our sports day that is celebrated where near our PGR Stadium. Hope you enjoyed very well, right? But this year we couldn't do anything because of this pandemic. But nevertheless, next year we celebrate our sports day in a grand way. Alright, okay, fine. Now let us come back to your lesson, sports day. Now there is a sports day happening where in a school. So how the kids are being enjoyed with the sports day and what variety of sports they have been conducted is the lesson about. Alright, now let us see the lesson. All are ready with your pencils and textbook, children? Right. Now, generally what sort of a sports we play, children? Running or ball, basketball, whatever is it, lemon and a spoon race, sack race, frog jump, all these different varieties of sports we play, right? Now, here in this school, in what way they have celebrated this sports day, let us see. Today, the school looked different. There were colorful balloons all around. So the school was looking different on the sports day. And the school was completely decorated with the colorful balloons. Today, the children looked different. Obviously, on the sports day, children generally wear the school uniform. No. So children are also looking different. They were not walking in a line. They were running around. Sports is nothing but running, jumping, roaming here and there, however you want, right? So, on the sports day, the children were dressed in a different way and they are not walking in a line. So, they are running around. It means they are running from one place to the other place. Today, the playground looked different. The playground is also different. There were red, blue, green and yellow flags on tall poles. So in the playground they have fixed a tall poles. To that they have fixed the flags, different color flags. So what are those flags, children? Red color, blue color, green color and yellow color. So we have 4 groups in our school and also we have launched the 4 different flags on our sports day by your group leaders. Do you remember? Yes. So similarly, there were 4 different flags have been fixed on the poles in the playground. Mothers and fathers, teachers and children sat in a big circle around the playground. So all the parents were sitting in the playground in a big circle. They were very excited to see their children performing different sports. It was sports day today. The 50-meter race was going to start. The children stood ready to run. Now there is a running race got started. Yes, so it was a 50-meter race and all the children were ready in the respective tracks to run. Neha stood with her friends waiting for the race to start. Now the girl Neha is joined or accompanied with her friends for the 50 meters race and they were eagerly waiting to give a start for the race. Neha saw Amma clapping. Now Neha has seen her mom clapping for her, cheering for her. She saw Baba waving to her. Now father also saying, "Hi my baby, so run fast." Isn't it your parents also have cheered on your sports day? Yes, but I didn't allow it, right? Yes. So Neha saw her mother clapping and also her father waving to her. She heard baby crying. Why was baby crying? Also, she heard a baby is crying. Why is she crying? Let us see. 1, 2, 3. The teacher called out. Now when the race started, your teacher was also standing beside you. And when your teacher said, on your mark, get set, go. Then your race got started. So similarly, the teacher was also standing near her children and she started giving the countdown. So once she said 1, 2, 3 and she called out, the children began to run. The children began to run. Neha ran too. As she ran, she wondered if baby was still crying. Now Neha started running. While running, she was still thinking whether the baby is still crying or not. Neha turned to look at the baby. While running, Neha turned towards the baby. So she did not see the stone, she fell down. See, poor child, her concentration is completely on the crying of a baby. So while running, she couldn't see there was a stone on her way. So she fell down. Neha quickly got up, but the race was over. What happened? Poor child, she fell down, and when she got up very quickly, what did she find? The race was completely over. The race was finished. But her knees hurt. Yes, when we fell down, our knees get hurt, right? Neha wanted to cry like baby. However, baby had seen her fall. Baby had stopped crying. He was looking at Neha. So whenever we fall down, children, we get a hurt. So once you people get a hurt, what you do immediately? You'll stop crying. So similarly, Neha, when she was running on the track, her concentration was not on the running. Her concentration was towards whether the baby is crying or not. On the track, when she was running, she looked back at the baby to check whether she is crying or not. Meanwhile, there was a stone in the way where she fell down and she got a hurt over the knee. Neha started crying, but she didn't cry. And the baby looking at the Neha stopped crying and he started looking at the Neha. Listen children, whenever we fell down in any race, you people are brave enough and strong enough. You shouldn't fall down and wake up and don't do all these things and don't start crying. Stop crying and just quickly get up and completely try to finish your race. So that makes a child a sportive child and the child will be very strong. It was a time for the lemon and spoon race. Yes, you enjoyed lemon and spoon race also children? Yes. Neha's lemon was in her spoon. Now Neha is about to join in this lemon and spoon race. What was Neha's family doing? Amma was waving, Baba was smiling. So during the running race, Neha's mother was clapping and father was waving. Now during the lemon and spoon race, Amma was waving and Baba was smiling looking at her. Baby was getting ready to cry again. Again the small baby was ready to cry. 1, 2, 3. The teacher called out. The children ran holding their spoons carefully. So they hold the spoons and they started running. No one wanted the lemon to fall off. Yes children, if the lemon from the spoon, it fell down, it means you are out of the game. So the children were very careful enough while running and they were taking care so that the lemon from the spoon is not falling down. Neha was thinking of baby again. Was he crying again? Her concentration was getting distracted. Neha turned to look and her lemon fell down. Poor child. In the running race, she looked and she looked at the child and she was checking whether the baby was crying or not, and she fell down because there was a stone in her way. But now during the lemon and spoon race, again she turned to look at the baby to check whether the baby was crying or not. What happened? The lemon fell down. Neha ran after the lemon. It rolled faster and faster. Neha ran even faster. Neha finally found the lemon. So as the lemon fell down from the spoon, it was rolling very quick and Neha started running very fast back of Lemon to catch hold of it. However, the race was over. Here also the race got completed. Again she wanted to cry like a baby. Baby was not crying now. He was laughing. Now the baby is not crying. Instead the baby is laughing. Baby was waving at Neha. That made Neha happy. She forgot to be sad. Now since the running race got started, since the lemon and spoon race got started, what Neha was thinking in her mind, whether the baby was crying or not, right? So because her concentration was on crying of the baby, she lost both the races. But after the completion of the lemon and spoon race, she found baby was not crying. Instead, the baby was waving his hand looking at Neha. Neha got ready for the sack race. Now there is a sack race. What do you mean by sack race, children? There will be a gunny bag. You have to enter into the gunny bag. You have to hold a bag and you have to jump with the gunny bag. That is the sack race. Now Neha is ready for her sack race. She jumped into the rough brown bag. Sack and a bag. Like the rice bag will be there, na? That one. The teacher called out 1, 2, 3. Now Neha is getting ready for her sack race. Neha was ready. She began to hop. She hopped as fast as she could. Now already she lost 2 races. One is the running race and the other is the lemon and spoon race. But now the baby is laughing and she was very happy. She don't want to be sad and she is very much ready for her sack race. She jumped into the sack and once the teacher said 1, 2, 3, go. Then Neha was jumping as fast as she can. Neha hopped so fast that she was the first to finish the race. Wow! See, though she has lost the 2 races, but she has put her effort to win the sack race. So she came first in her sack race. Amma, Baba and baby were all laughing and clapping. So looking at that victory of Neha, Neha's mom, dad and baby were laughing looking at Neha. It means they were very much happy for her victory. Neha was very happy now. She had won the race and she had made baby laugh. So at last the baby was laughing and Neha was very happy. What children? So that was a sports day. So this sports day they gave, like here in this lesson sports day, they have explained the experience of Neha. So on sports day the school was completely different and the playground was also different. The school was different because the school was completely decorated with colorful balloons and the playground, there were different colors of flags have been fixed in the playground. What are the colors of the flags, children? Blue, yellow, red and one more color, green. So all these 4 color flags were being fixed in the playground and the children were also dressed different. And one thing they found, like children are not going in a line. The children were roaming around. Okay, now there is a girl Neha who is ready for the running race, 50 meters running race. So when she was ready for her running race, Neha's mother was Neha's mother was clapping and father was waving at her. But she has observed that baby was crying. Now as soon as the teacher said 1, 2, 3, go, what happened? Neha was thinking while running, she was thinking whether still the baby is crying or not. So while running on her track, she just turned back and looked at the baby to check whether the baby is crying or not. So while she was running, there was a stone in between where she fell down and she got hurt. But immediately, quickly she got up, but she didn't cry, right? But the baby stopped crying. But by the time the race was over and Neha is getting ready for the next lemon and spoon race. But still, during the lemon and spoon race, she was ready for her race. But now, her mother was smiling and father was, what the father is doing? Amma was waving and father is smiling at her. Again, still she finds the baby is crying. Poor child, during her lemon and spoon race also, she lost the lemon, like the lemon from her spoon fell down and it was going around very quickly, and this child, Neha, was running back of lemon to catch hold of it. By the time she got the lemon, the race was over. And what did she observe? The baby stopped crying and immediately she observed that the baby is laughing. So she boosted up her energy and she was very much happy looking at the baby laughing. And finally she was ready for her sack race. So as the teacher said 1, 2, 3 go, she jumped into her sack and she started hopping as fast as she can. Finally Neha succeeded the race and she came first in her sack race. So since looking at her victory, Neha's mom, father and her brother were very much happy. So that is about the lesson sports day. Hope you understood the lesson, children. I know you people are missing our sports day. No worry, we'll enjoy our sports day next year. Alright, now take out your pencils. Get ready to underline your new words. Different, around, looked, walking, running, playground, teachers, children, start, clapping, crying, wondered, quickly, stopped, smiling, waving, race, carefully, thinking, rolled, found, laughing, jumped, hopped, happy. So these are the new words. I know there are many words in this. You are going to underline it and you are going to make a note in your notebook and also you are going to learn these words. Okay children? Fine. Now let us look into your exercises. Right? Read and understand. What happened next? Read the sentences in the box and complete the chart. So here they have given a sentences like 50-meter race. What happened in the 50-meter race? What happened in the lemon and spoon race? And what happened in the sack race with Neha? Those things you have to write. See, and they have given you the sentences also in the help box. So try to read the sentences and try to correlate that. And you are going to fill up in those two boxes. Alright, next, write true or false. It was a sports day in Neha's school. Is it true or false, children? Yes, true. The 50-meter race was the third race to take place. So which was the first race got started, children? Is it the lemon and spoon sack race or 50 meters race? Yes, 50 meters race. But here they gave it was the third race. Is it true or false? It is false. Because 50-meter race was the first race that got started. Neha did not see the stone. Yes, while running, did she observe there was a stone? No. So it means it is true. Neha won the lemon and spoon race. Yes, did Neha won the lemon and spoon race? No, it is false. Then what did she won? She won the sack race. Okay, complete the sentences with words from the box. So there is a help box given and also in that help box you have the words. So you are going to read the sentences and you are going to fill in the blanks with the correct word that is given in the help box. Answer these questions. What was baby doing when the 50-meter race began? So what did she find? Neha, what did she observe when she was ready for the 50 meters race, children? The baby was crying. Why did Neha fall? So why did Neha fall, children? Because there was a stone while running. She got hurt with the stone and she fell down. Which race was held after the 50-meter race, children? After the 50-meter race, what was the race conducted? Yes, lemon and spoon race. Which race did Neha win, children, at last? Yes, the sack race. Got it? That's it. So this is about your answer the questions. And now fill in the blanks with TO2, TWO2 or TOO2. So using these three words, you're going to fill the blanks, read the sentence, try to understand. Okay. Similarly, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So that's it about your lesson, sports day. Hope you understood the lesson, children. Yes. Okay. Complete the exercises and get ready for your exams in the month of February. Read well, write on your own. Got it, children? So till the time, stay safe and be happy.